Understanding Baby on Board, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common and interesting phrase, baby on board. This phrase is seen and heard quite often, especially in daily life, and understanding it can be really helpful. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase truly means. First, let's break down the phrase, baby on board. Literally, it means there is a baby inside the vehicle, usually a car. This phrase is often displayed on a sign in cars to inform other drivers that there's a young child inside. Why is this important? Well, it's a gentle reminder for other drivers to drive safely and be more cautious around the car carrying the baby. You might wonder where this phrase came from. Baby on board signs became popular in the 1980s. The main purpose behind these signs was to increase awareness and promote safe driving habits around vehicles that have babies as passengers. It was thought that if people knew there was a baby in the car, they would drive more responsibly nearby. The phrase, baby on board, has had a significant cultural impact. It's been referenced in movies, songs, and TV shows, sometimes humorously. Also, there are variations of the sign like, child on board, or even humorous ones like, dog on board. These signs all serve a similar purpose, to draw attention to the presence of vulnerable passengers. Interestingly, baby on board has also found its way into everyday language. It's used metaphorically sometimes to indicate that someone is carrying precious cargo or has a big responsibility. For example, a pregnant woman might jokingly say she has a baby on board. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, baby on board, and its significance in English-speaking cultures. It's more than just a sign, it's a small but important part of driving culture, promoting safety and responsibility. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting English language tips and insights.